Hey guys, I'm Dr. Chetna. I'm your health and wellness consultant, and I'm the founder of Better Health, Better Society. And I'm on a mission to change the society, change this world, to know more about the inner engineering of our body, the spare parts of our body, and how we can take care of the spare parts inside our body to make our inner beauty and outer beauty to be in harmony with each other. In our last video, we talked about the chakras of our body. These are the energy centers, right? So there are the seven major chakras. Each chakra has some color, and today we'll talk about one very important chakras of our body, which is the basic chakra. As the name says, it is the base, it's the foundation. Its Sanskrit name is Muladhara chakra. So this Muladhara chakra, the Mula means root and Dhar means pot. This chakra is like a tree. The tree has its roots, the tree is grounded, and it gives us support. So that's why it's called the basic chakra and the Muladhara chakra. This is the very important chakra of our body. And if this chakra is not balanced, if this chakra is not functioning properly, our body, our other chakras will not function properly. Now let's see where this chakra is located. This chakra is located near our tailbone at the base of our spine, and it's near the pelvic floor, and it's rotating around the long axis of the spine. That's why it's on the base, it's near the tailbone. That's why it's called the basic chakra. Now, what this chakra gives us? What's the importance of this chakra? It's associated with the survival, with the safety, with the existence, and with the here, with the fear. Let's see how this chakra is associated with the survival and with the safety. The organs associated with the basic chakra are our rectum, the urinary bladder, the large intestine, and the sciatica nerve, the bottom of our feet, and the adrenal gland, our intestines. So let's see, अब हम जानते हैं कि ये चक्रा बैलेंस है तो क्या होगा और ये चक्रा इम्बैलेंस है तो क्या होगा. How we come to know that our basic chakra is imbalanced. What we feel when the basic chakra is not functioning properly and it is imbalanced. When basic chakra is imbalanced, the person will feel lethargic, the person will feel lazy, the person will feel not grounded, the person will feel insecure, and the person will be fatigued easily, and that person will be constipated easily. So if all these problems occur, so we come to know that the basic chakra is blocked, and these problems are associated with the some improper functioning of the some blockage of energy in the basic chakra. So when this chakra is balanced, you are in present, you are in touch with your body, you are connected with your body, you are connected with the nature, and you feel secure, you feel safe, and you feel safe on the plane of existence. You can trust, you feel stable. So this is how the chakra gets balanced and imbalanced. So now, if the chakra is imbalanced, let's see अब हमें करना क्या है if the chakra gets imbalanced. आइए अब हम जानते हैं what is the importance of doing the physical exercise to balance this chakra. What happens is there is used up energy, there is blocked energy in our chakras. And this blocked up energy needs to go out from the body. And when these chakras have the blocked energy, the used up energy, there is no fresh energy coming in the body. So with the physical exercise, the importance of the physical exercise on the energy body, on our aura, is that when we do the physical exercise, all the used up energy, all the old toxins, they are flushed out from the body, and there is more room for the fresh energy, fresh prana, fresh energy to come in the body. So if the basic chakra is functioning properly, if the basic chakra is not blocked, it is balanced, there will be more fresh energy in the body, and this energy center will send that fresh energy to the other chakras of our body. So let's see this in a very simple way. Like if a train has to pass from basic chakra to crown to all the, there are 7 stations in between, and if any one of the station is not cleaned properly, the track is not functioning properly, the train will stop at one or the other location. So if all the passages, all the chakras, all the system, all the tracks are cleaned, the train will have a smooth ride from point A to end point. So this is how the energy moves in our body from our base to our crown center, crown chakra. So this is the importance of having all the chakras functioning properly, and how we can strengthen this basic chakra by doing the physical exercise, by doing the yoga exercises, by doing yoga poses. There are 5 different poses which we can do to strengthen the basic chakra. The first one is the warrior 2 pose. Let's see in the picture what is warrior 2 pose. If you do this pose, the basic chakra is strengthened. Then is the Sukhasana, which we call is at the easy pose. When we sit in the Sukhasana, again the basic chakra is strengthened. When we do the child pose, which is called the Balasana, again it has effect on strengthening the basic chakra. Then we have the garland pose, and we have the bridge pose. All these poses of yoga, they help to balance the basic chakra. As this chakra is grounded, as this chakra is connected to earth, what else we can do to activate this chakra? We can put our hands on the ground, we can put our feet on the ground, and we can walk barefooted on the grass, on the floor in the morning. We can do dancing, we can do any physical form of exercise, we can do walking. All these physical exercises, they help to strengthen the basic chakra of our body. So when we have to activate, we have to revitalize this chakra. We know the importance of this chakra, and the diseases associated with the blockage of the basic chakra will not occur. The person will be active, the person will not feel lazy, the person will not procrastinate the things, and person will have fresh energy to work and fresh energy from the base of our body to go to another energy centers. So this is how, if we know the inner engineering, if we know the science behind it, in each of our body parts, in each of our chakras, each of our glands, each of our system of our body, which the God has made us, the nature has made us so, I think we can protect us from so many diseases. We can increase our immunity. And this pandemic time, when everyone is talking about immunity, by doing yoga, by doing walking, by doing simple exercises, we can increase the health of our system, we can increase the health of our body, our chakras, and if they function in harmony, our inner beauty, which is more important than our outer beauty. And that's how I'm here on a mission to help the society to know more about the inner engineering of your own body. And in my coming videos, I will talk more about the other chakras of our body and what we should eat to have to balance these chakras, and which all food important to enhance our immunity and to balance all these chakras. As this chakra is red in color, so by eating red fruits, red grapes, and so many other fruits which are red in color, we can give energy to this basic chakra. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this lovely video. Thank you.